Hello and welcome you all. Let's start solving this beautiful algebra equation where a plus b is equal to 3, a cube plus b cube is equal to 9. If this information is given, we have to find the value of a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4. So all of you watch this video till the end and please thumbs up if you find this solution helpful. Let's get started and see the solution. Let's name these equations as equation 1 and equation 2. We are going to use formula of cube here, a plus b whole cube, which is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab times a plus b. We are going to put in the values using equation 1 and 2. From equation 1, we know that a plus b is equal to 3. So 3 to the power 3 is equal to a cube plus b cube is equal to 9 plus 3ab. A plus b is equal to 3. 3 to the power 3 means 27 is equal to 9 plus 3 times 3 is 9ab. We are going to move this 9 to left hand side. So it will become negative. And if we subtract 27 and 9, we will get 18. 18 is equal to 9ab. At this step, we are going to divide both sides by 9. 9 one time is 9, 9 two time is 18. This and this cancel out. We get the value of ab, which is equal to 2. We are going to save this value and we will use it later on. We are going to use another formula, a plus b whole square, which is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. We know the value of a plus b from equation 1, which is equal to 3. 3 square is equal to a square plus b square as it is, plus 2 and ab is equal to 2. So 2 times 2. 3 square is equal to 9. A square plus b square plus 2 times 2 is 4. If we take this 4 to left hand side, it will become negative. And if we subtract 9 and 4, we will get the value of a square plus b square, which is equal to 5. We are going to save this value as well and we will use it later on. We will see that. As we have to find the value of a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4. So for that, we are going to use this formula, a plus b whole to the power 4. And if we expand this, we will get a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4 plus 4ab times a square plus b square plus 6 times ab whole square. And after putting the values, a plus b is equal to 3. So 3 to the power 4. We don't know a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4. So as it is plus 4. From here we have the value of ab. And from here we have the value of a square plus b square plus 6 times ab is 2. 2 to the power 2. 3 to the power 4 means multiplying 3 4 times, which will give us 81 is equal to a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 5 is equal to 40. Plus 6. 2 times 2 is 4. 6 times 4 is 24. This is equal to a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4 plus 40 and 24. This is equal to 64. We are going to take this 64 to left hand side. So it will be subtracted. And after subtraction, we will get 17 is equal to a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4, or a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4 is equal to 17, which is required and asked in this question. I hope all the steps are clear. You can go through all the steps once again. If you have any question, any query, feel free to ask to me in the comment box. You can visit the channel for more informative videos. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.